Hello. Hello. I'd like to show you how I went about making puppets using Chinese lanterns or paper lanterns. We made two different puppets. You can see one here and another one here. To make the paper lanterns, we did have a couple of problems. Firstly, the beak. We used a clothes peg like this. You can see there is a hole in the middle where the peg has a wire. This enabled us to wire the peg into the lantern. We used plastic spoons with a long handle that we could glue onto the surface of the peg. One for the top and one for the bottom. So they were like this. Once they were glued and wired into the lantern, we covered the exterior, the beak part here, with aluminium foil, or in this case we used some coloured cardboard, and we just clamped the end and cut it to make a shape. One difficulty with the paper lantern is that there is wire provided when you buy the paper lantern. There is wire inside to give it the round shape. That was in the way for us because we wanted to put our hand inside the lantern. So we decided to put the wire on the outside of the lantern rather than on the inside. Once the wire was in place, we covered the exterior of the lantern with felt, and that helped to keep the lantern in shape, and it helped to hide the wire. You can see the same with this lantern, which is very big. We've covered the wire with coloured felt. It's not really noticeable with the bright colours that we've chosen to use. Even the back has the wire. If it gets bent, it's no problem to just bring it back into shape again. One difficulty that people have commented about is how the beak moves around. So when you're holding the puppet, maybe the head will tilt around. It's not really a big problem. As you know, when a puppet speaks, normally there should be some movement anyway. So if you are training a student to use it, as we did, we just encouraged them to stay still when they were not speaking, but when they were speaking, move the beak and their head, the hand, so that the audience attention would be drawn to their puppet. You can put some stuffing inside the puppet to help give it more stability as well, if you wish. We only needed to use these puppets for 3 or 4 times. They are a little bit fragile, but the response from people who have seen the puppets is very, very positive. So you can see at the bottom of the lantern where we've put the wire on the hooks. So hope you enjoy looking at our lanterns, and maybe you'll try making some yourself.